The modern American housewife always has a full schedule. Planning this schedule is the key to good thrift. But Susan almost forgot the upcoming charity auction. She was supposed to make a dessert, but she didn't budget for it. What will she do? But don't worry, a perfectly good dessert can be made from any well-stocked pantry. Let's see what you already have. With these ingredients and some cooking magic, a little can go a long way. Pause the film here to see what you'll need to make this dessert for your charity auction. It's a good idea to practice thrift not only with your ingredients but also with your time. The kitchens of tomorrow that our mothers longed for are available to us here and now. Therefore, it's wise to use as many labor-saving devices as you can. A food processor speeds up the mixing of pie dough. Therefore, you will add your flour, salt, lard, and cheese to the food processor, mixing well. Add cold water until you have a formed ball of dough. Prepare your surface with plenty of flour. Divide the dough into 2 halves and proceed to roll each one out. For ease of transferring to your pie pan, roll the prepared dough onto your rolling pin. It's now a simple thing to unroll it right into your pan. Make sure you remove the excess off the edges, saving the extra dough for a simple informal dessert. Waste not, want not is the motto of every American thrifty housewife. And now it's time to make your pie filling. In a large bowl, mix your apples together with the lemon juice, sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt, mixing well. Make sure to always use a bowl slightly larger than what you think you'll need. This prevents spills and any unnecessary wastage. Now place your graham crackers in a resealable bag. You can turn them into crumbs using the back of a wooden spoon or even your rolling pin. Resealable bags are convenient and easy to use, marking your kitchen as modern as well as economical. Sprinkle these crumbs on the bottom of your pie dough. And now you will layer the apples with the cheese, ending with apples. Dot the top of your pie with butter for extra flavor. Now top the pie with the other pie dough and crimp the edges. Here you can see Susan using the 3-finger method to make the crimps in her pie. Decorative edges make the pie attractive as well as tasty. Don't forget to put slits in the top of the pie for venting while cooking. Bake your pie at 450 degrees for about 10 minutes. Then reduce the heat to 350 and bake for about 40 minutes. You now have a beautiful pie for your charity auction, or for any occasion, as there's nothing more economical or tasty as good old American apple pie. And with the secret addition of Wisconsin cheddar cheese, it's sure to be a hit anywhere or anytime. And now it looks like the smell of fresh apple pie has brought the husband into the kitchen. He thinks this pie is for the charity auction, but won't he be glad when he finds out that due to your good economical techniques in the kitchen, you were able to make 2 pies. And now he has one to enjoy all for himself.
Okay, Mamaw, go ahead and try a piece of pie. Wow, you didn't even hardly do a bite. Get that whole thing in
Well, I
there.
couldn't.
I'll cut that out. Well,
That's good.
is it? This is a recipe from your old cookbook.
Mm.
Now you better eat all of it.
And there you have it. A little planning and a well-stocked pantry is all you need for a thrifty kitchen.